वेलकम टू एकलव्य ओवरसीज। दिस इज पूर्णिमा अगेन। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, मैं हमेशा वीडियो बनाती हूँ एमबीबीएस अब्रॉड को लेकर के, या फिर नीट रिजल्ट्स को लेकर के, या फिर आई एम शेयरिंग सम डिफरेंट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट सम डिफरेंट कंट्रीज और यूनिवर्सिटी. But this time I'm sharing some different things to you which could be very, very important for your future as well as your career if you are thinking to go ahead with your application process for MBBS abroad. Every year more than 8 to 10,000 students जो कि हर साल MBBS abroad में admission लेते हैं, and out of those students 90% ऐसे students होते हैं जिनको अब्रॉड के बारे में कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन होती ही नहीं है. दे हैव लैक ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन. व्हाट दे जस्ट डू, दे जस्ट रिलाई ऑन सम कंसल्टेंट्स और दे जस्ट रिलाई ऑन सम एडवाइजर्स. दे टेक एडवाइसेस फ्रॉम देम और उनके बेसिस पे वो अपना एडमिशन लेते हैं. But this is completely wrong. If you are in touch with some fraud consultancies or someone who is giving you not genuine advices about that country or about that particular university. So this video is particularly dedicated to all those students जिनके पास enough information नहीं है about the consultancies or they rely on some fraud people to get their admission done in abroad. There are few instances which came across to me recently जो मैंने सोचा कि मुझे आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहिए, because ये सारी चीज़ें ही बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, but it could be a very big thing for your future. Because अगर आप किसी ऐसी कंट्री में जा रहे हैं जहां पर आपने किसी कंसल्टेंसी का सपोर्ट लिया है, then your consultancy should be very genuine and very transparent with you in disclosing each and everything step by step. Because आप उन पे एक सबसे ज्यादा करते हैं ट्रस्ट, और वो जब ट्रस्ट फैक्टर आपका ब्रेक होता है, that really hurts you and that really जो आपके पूरे करियर को ऊपर से नीचे भी ला सकता है. So you have to be very careful in selecting or in shortlisting your advisors or the consultancies before taking any admission into MBBS abroad. Because recently we have our batch of Georgia have traveled last Saturday. And many of our students have traveled in the batch because that was the batch of last year. And they have traveled around more than 215 students was there, and they have traveled through chartered flights. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी मेरी नज़र में आई, और फिर बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स वहाँ पर इकट्ठा हुए थे, and they have shared many information about different agencies and different consultancies. And the consultancies didn't even bother to come to the airport to see off their children. Because they were very guilty in that. How could they come and face to the children? Because there were many students जिनके साथ एक बहुत बड़े लेवल पे consultancies ने fraud किया हुआ था, and now they are traveling and they were sharing their experiences. So I can't take the names of the consultancies, but yes, there are many students जिनके पास सही information नहीं होती है, and some of them they rely on social media, they rely on the videos. They rely on without knowing anything about that consultancy. So just wanted to share this information because ultimately you have to suffer a lot. Because अगर आप एक अच्छे consultancy का चुनाव करेंगे, एक अच्छे advisors का चुनाव करेंगे, that can lead to you a very successful career. So be aware about these things before taking admission into MBBS abroad. For all the future MBBS aspirants who wants to do their MBBS from abroad, because this is for all of you guys, you have to take a very wise decision as far as the selection of your consultancy is concerned. So thank you so much for watching this video, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for the complete and detailed information on MBBS abroad. Thank you so much.